Every student's journey begins with strong foundation. In Algebra Kickstarter, students are introduced to the essential skills and concepts that make algebra understandable, laying the groundwork for everything that follows. As they build up confidence, they move into becoming the Algebra Apprentice. And this is where students begin turning confusion into clarity and challenges into skills that they can rely on. For those ready for a deeper challenge, Algebra Warrior dives into more advanced topics such as quadratic algebra, equipping students with the relevant concepts, tools, and skills that helps them tackle higher level questions with confidence. And finally, becoming the algebra master. In this workshop, students refine their skills in handling complex algebraic equations, connect algebra to graph concepts, and tackle more advanced real-world scenarios. They gain a strong level of mastery that builds confidence and lay the strong foundation for further studies. If you are ready to unlock your child's potential in algebra, simply follow the link below to learn more and secure a spot for your child in our upcoming workshop series. Remember, learning isn't hard, it's just how. See you soon.